This video sponsored by Envato Elements. Hey everyone, welcome back to Effect For You channel. Today, we are going to create gaming blog opener like this. Design your project better and faster with Envato Elements. Get over 5 million stock assets and ready-to-use templates for your next project. Video templates, mockups, fonts, presentation, photos, audio file, and more. All this come with commercial licenses for extra peace of mind. Get unlimited downloads with Envato Elements, and start creating today. For more detail, find the first link in the description. As usual, first we need to create our main comp. Here I have some elements in our elements folder. So drag crumpled white paper into the timeline, right-click and pre-compose them. This is our background comp. Open background comp, select the layer, press P for position. Now we need to animate this, so add a keyframe on position. Then go to 5 frame forward, and move the position little bit. Again go to 5 frame forward, and move the position. Similarly move the position on every 5 frame. We need to do this for 1 to 2 seconds. Now select all keyframes, right click and select, toggle hold keyframe. This will stop the animation between 2 keyframes. Cool. I want this animation for the entire timeline, so hold Alt key and click on stopwatch icon, and type loop expression. Now we will get the same animation in the entire timeline. Perfect. Now go to main comp, select the BG layer, and search tint effect. Change the white color according to your choice. Now here we need to add some text for background, so go to project window and create a new composition. I call this BG text. Select text tool and type your text. You can type any text, I am just showing you an example. Now copy the text, and paste ahead around 5 to 6 times. Here you can see. Now we need to animate this, so open text layer, go to animate, and select position and opacity. Move the X position around 1200 pixels. And opacity 0%. Now select animator 1, and add expression selector. Open expression selector. Change based on character to words. We need to add expression on amount. So here copy the delay expression. Hold Alt key and click on stopwatch icon, and paste it here. Cool. I want to add wiggly on our text, so again select text layer, go to animate and add position and rotation. Change position X and Y around 4 pixel, and rotation 10 degree. Select animator 2, and add wiggly selector. Then open wiggly selector 1, wiggles per second 0. Here we need to add posterize and wiggle expression on random seed, so hold Alt key and click on this stopwatch icon, and type this expression. Now here you can see our text. Cool. Now we need to animate the position. So press P for position, and add a keyframe, then go to around 9 seconds forward, and align the text from right side of the comp. Perfect. Now duplicate the text layer. press U to show keyframes, and delete them. And move the layer below the first text. And align the text from right side of the comp. Now open text layer, then open Animator 1. Here we need to change X position in negative direction. So now our text came from left side of the comp. Cool. Now go to first frame, hit P for position, and add a keyframe, then go to 9 second ahead, and align the text left side of the comp. Cool. Now select both layers, and duplicate them. And move them together, press U to show all keyframes, select the keyframes, now grab this point, I don't know what it's called, and move the text like this. Perfect. Again duplicate all layers and move them together. Then select all keyframes, and move the text. Perfect, it's look good to me. Go to main comp and drag BG text comp into the timeline, and change the opacity 5%. Cool. Now we need to add halftone effect, so create a new composition. I call this halftone. Now create a new black solid layer. Select the layer and search CC Ball Action Effect. Decrease ball size around 18. Here you can see. And grid spacing 8. Go to main comp and drag halftone comp into the timeline. Perfect. Now again create a new composition. And this is our line elements comp. Select rectangle tool, and create a shape like this. Press S for scale. Move the anchor point center left side of the shape. Go to first frame, unlink the scale, and change X scale amount 0%, and add a keyframe, then go to around 15 frame forward, and change the scale amount 100%. Select both keyframe and ease them. And make your graph like this. Perfect. Now duplicate the shape layer, and move the shape below to first shape. Select the layer and rotate them 180 degree, and adjust below the first shape. Now our shape will come from right to left. Cool. Now duplicate both layers and move below the first two layers. Similarly we need to fill our composition like this. Cool. Now go to main comp and drag line elements into the timeline. Select the layer and search fill effect. Change fill color according to your choice. Now select ellipse tool and create a circle mask, like this. Move anchor point center of the circle, and rotate the layer a little bit. One thing we can do with line elements, randomly move the layers few frame forward, like this. Cool. Go back to main comp. Now duplicate the layer, and move top right corner. Also decrease the size little bit. Move the both layers few frame forward. Perfect. Now we need to create arrow element, so create a new composition. Change height around 500 pixel. Select pen tool and create a arrow, like this. Move the anchor point center of the shape, and resize little bit. Now open shape layer, go to animate, and select repeater. Open repeater 1, and increase the number of copy. Then expand transform repeater 1. Here you can increase the position. Now we need to animate this, so go to first frame, and add a keyframe on offset. And change offset amount around -35. Then go to 9 second forward, and change offset amount 0. I think we need to increase offset amount -70. And number of copies 80. You can adjust the last keyframe to increase and decrease the speed. Cool. Go back to main comp, and drag arrow comp into the timeline, and adjust top side of the comp, then search fill effect. And change the color as you like. Now duplicate the layer and move bottom side of the comp. And rotate 180 degrees. We don't need fill color on second arrow layer. Now select arrow layer. Then select pen tool. And create a mask like this. Cool. Now select second arrow layer. And create the same mask. Perfect, it's look good to me. Now here we need to add an expression on our circle layer. So select circle layer, press P for position, hold Alt and click on stopwatch icon, and type posterize expression. Copy the expression and paste on other circle position. Perfect. You can also paste the expression on rotation. And change the wiggle amount to make some differentiation. Similarly add an expression on other circle layer. Perfect, it's look good to me. Now create new composition. Width around 850 and height 1100. This is our placeholder 1 comp. Drag your image into the timeline, and adjust them. Now go to main comp and drag placeholder 1 comp into the timeline, and adjust left side of the comp. Now we need to animate the position, so press P for position, go to around 10 frame and add a keyframe, then go to first frame and move the position, left side of the comp. Here we need to apply bounce expression on it. So copy bounce expression. Hold Alt key and click on stopwatch icon, and paste it here. Perfect. Now apply some effect on it, so select the layer and search black and white effect. Then search levels effect. And adjust the white input a little bit. Now search sharpen effect, and increase sharpen amount 10. Now search transform effect. Now here we need to add posterize effect on position and rotation, so hold Alt and click on stopwatch icon. And type posterize expression. Similarly add the same expression on rotation. Perfect. Now duplicate the placeholder 1 layer. Select the bottom layer and search fill effect, and change fill color white. Here you can see the effect. Cool. Now we need to add our text here. So go to project window and create a new comp. I am using full HD comp, and I call this text 1. Select text tool and type your text. You can type any text here. Now open text layer. Go to animate and select position and opacity. Move the position right side of the comp, and opacity 0%. Now select animate to 1 and add expression selector. Change based on character to words. Now copy the delay expression. Hold Alt and click on stopwatch icon, and paste it here. Perfect. Again select the text layer, and add position and rotation. Change position around 3 pixel. And rotation 8 degree. Now select animator 2 and add wiggly. Open wiggly and change wiggles per second 0. Here we need to add posterize expression on random seed, so hold Alt and click on stopwatch icon, and apply the posterize expression. Here you can see how our text look like. Now duplicate the text layer, and this is our outline text layer. Turn off the foreground text color, and activate the stroke color. You can change any color according to your choice. And also adjust the stroke pixel. Cool. One more thing you can change, move the outline text position little bit. Perfect. Now duplicate the both layers, and move them together. And change your text. Align the text. And move the bottom text layer few frame forward. Perfect. Now go to main comp and drag text 1 comp into the timeline. Here you can see how it looks. Perfect, it's look good to me. Now we need to add some others elements, so select text tool, and create star abstract shape. And adjust bottom side of the comp. Move anchor point center of the shape. Now we need to animate this, so go to 5 frame forward, and add a keyframe on scale, then go to first frame and change scale amount 0%. Now apply the bounce expression on it, so copy the expression and paste it here. Cool. Move the layer few frame forward. Now we need to rotate this, press R for rotation, and hold Alt and click on stopwatch icon, and type time multiply 50. Perfect. You can adjust all layers, according to your animation preference. Perfect, it's look good to me. Now here I have some other elements in our folder, so drag gaming console icon into the timeline. Select the layer and search fill effect. And change the color. And also resize a little bit. Go to 5 frame ahead and add a keyframe. Then go to first frame and change the scale amount 0%, and also apply the bounce expression. Now press P for position, and apply posterize expression. Apply the same expression on rotation. Perfect. Now create a hashtag elements. Resize the font according to you. And adjust anywhere in composition. Now apply the posterize expression on position and rotation. Now animate the scale, so go to 5 frame ahead and add a keyframe, then go to first frame and change scale amount 0%, also apply the bounce expression. Now duplicate the layer, and adjust the hashtag. Also move the layer few frame forward. Now again duplicate the layer, and type quotation mark. Move the anchor point center, and rotate them. Cool. Now go to project window, and drag plus footage into the timeline, and change layer mode normal to screen. Then drag micro dirt footage, and change layer mode screen. Then drag free flicker overlay footage, and change layer mode, color dodge. And decrease the opacity around 30%. Now drag old film effect footage, and change layer mode screen. Select the layer and search curves effect. And make your curves like this. Now create an adjustment layer. Select the layer and search sharpen effect. And increase the sharpen amount 10. Then search curves effect. And adjust your curves. Perfect, our animation has done. Hit 0 for render. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video, so please, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. For more tutorial I'll see you in the next video.